As educators, we are also invited to ponder and reflect as we choose the appropriate assessment strategies and tools for global citizenship education. Among the questions that we can ponder are the purpose of assessment. What are those? What are the core areas of learning to be addressed in a comprehensive assessment and evaluation plan? How we will know if our learners are successfully learning the GSED concepts and values? And what are its indicators that we can use to measure it? What will we accept as evidence of learners' understanding and skill development in relation to global citizenship education? We can also reflect on these questions. What types of assessment will be most beneficial to collect evidence of learning? Which method would best allow learners to demonstrate the GSED key outcomes, considering their learning modality and learning styles? And how can technology help in assessing the learners? These are being based on UNESCO 2015 DepEd Order Number 31 Series of 2020, which was cited in the Asia-Pacific Center of Education for International Understanding and Philippine Normal Universities publication in 2021. Also, APSEU in 2020 released the following GSED learning assessment methods that can aid educators to develop proper assessment strategies and tools to measure the GSED competencies that we envision to learners. Among those are creating specific evaluation systems designed for GSED learning. Focus on a process-oriented approach in creating tools and methods for assessing GSED learning. Develop specific rubrics for assessing GSED learning. Assess effective learning. And employ competency-based assessments. Here are some of the examples of assessment strategies and example methods that we can use. If we pertain to products as our strategy of assessing the learning of our students in global citizenship education, we can employ essays, reflection papers, daily logs, or journal entries. If we wanted constructed responses, we can have letters, petitions, reports, project proposals, and interviews. If we opt for performances as strategy of assessment, we can use drama presentation, oral presentation, role-playing, simulations, demonstrations, debates, storytelling, and dialogues. And if we want to see the intercultural, local, international, and global immersion, we can use immersion activities, service learning activities, international exchange activities, and cultural interactions. We hope that you learned a lot from Module 2, GSED Pedagogies and Assessment. This is Developing GSED Learning Exemplars, GLE, a guide to pedagogy and practice.